My name is Alka Sharma. I'm an ICF accredited life coach, and I'm working with teenagers, I'm working with individuals, I'm working with entrepreneurs, I'm working with corporate employees. People who are looking to embrace transformation. During the day, I was taking care of my child. During the day, I was taking care of my housework. I was juggling my responsibilities as an employee. And at the same time, I knew that I could not sleep in the same house. What went wrong? I did everything right. So, why did this happen to me? Why me? Every situation, each and every situation that I have faced in my life has been a learning. We don't fail till we fail ourselves. This is about April 2015. I was 38 years old and I was in a really troubled relationship. It was my marriage of 14 years. We had a child together. We had been living together. We had seen the ups, we had seen the downs, we had seen everything together. But somewhere the relationship had eroded. My husband asked me to take 4 years off the marriage. He said, "Can you give me this break? And can you additionally come and attend family functions so that we can show ourselves as a couple?" I didn't know what hit me. I really never preempted that our relationship will come at such a point and that it would try to cut a deal with me. And at that point, I realized that whatever I have done for so many years, trying to find a place, trying to find a point in the relationship where he would love me back, that point is never going to come. And that is when I thought that I have to take a step for myself. This is the story of my dignity. This is the story of the balance that I found with my dignity and responsibility. Transformation is rarely proactive. I dragged on a dead-end job. I dragged on a dead-end relationship way beyond its expiry date. And the reason I did that was because I thought this is life. It's perfectly okay. I mean, I have a family, I have a marriage, I have a child. Isn't this what being settled is all about? I have a job. I have a bank balance. But you can't hug your bank balance when you're unhappy. You can't hug your apartment when you're unhappy. That is not what will give you that kind of happiness. And I realized that really late. So transformation hit me when my meltdown happened. It hit me when I realized that actually all the humiliation and the agony and the pain that I was taking on both ends was not adding up. It was not adding up because it did not have Alka in the center of any of this. And this is where I thought that I need to change my life. When bad things happen to us, we ask ourselves these questions. Why me? What went wrong? I did everything right. So, why did this happen to me? Why me? But the answers lie in asking the right questions. And if we can learn that, we can completely change our life. That is what coaching taught me. So I asked myself the right questions with the help of a coach. The right questions of, what can I do differently? Where did it begin? Why did I do this? Why did I choose to settle when I could have chosen to explore? And that is where the answer lied. I always thought throughout my life that I was not good enough. And that is why the people I attracted, the situations I attracted, the work I attracted made me feel more and more of this, that I am not good enough. It was all about me. People, situations are all incidental. What matters is how you treat yourself. What matters is your relationship with yourself. That is exactly the core and the reason why things happen to us. It is never about people outside. So that crash down really helped me. Today, when I look at life, I think everything is a gift. Every single thing is a gift. Every person, including the people who have pushed me to the edge, are teachers. Every situation, each and every situation that I have faced in my life has been a learning. We don't fail till we fail ourselves. You have to first realize that that potential is within you. And yes, it's good to be responsible. And yes, it's important for you to do the right thing. But what is more important is to be yourself. You know, I used to offer gratitude every day. But only after I started living the life on my own terms, I realized that that gratitude is in those small moments, and now it comes naturally. I don't have to be grateful. I am grateful.